Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is actually not going to be a cooking video, babe. It is going to be a reveal and an unboxing and some excitement.
Yeah.
If you're into cutting boards.
Who isn't?
That's right.
You have to have a cutting board if you are any kind of cook.
Okay. So if you guys have watched our channel for any number of time now, you know that we love our pit barrel cooker. Not only is the pit barrel cooker an amazing cooker that makes amazing food, but the company itself is a fantastic company. The owners are super nice people. It's all American made and it's a really good company. So a number of months back, we spoke with them and they said, hey, we're secretly working on our line of cutting boards. It's going to be called Endgrain. They're going to be manufactured in Kentucky. And we want you guys to be one of the very first people to reveal the cutting board.
I'm so excited.
And it came yesterday.
We haven't opened it.
We haven't opened it yet.
Yeah.
It came yesterday. So we're going to grab the camera. We're going to show you the box. We're going to show you the cutting board. And then I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about it. When designing this cutting board, they set out to raise the standard of cutting board. This is going to be the nicest, if not the nicest cutting board on the market.
I agree.
So I can't wait to open the box. Let's open the box and let's talk about it. All right. Here we go. Okay, babe, are you ready?
Mm-hmm. This says it's the ultimate cutting experience.
Oh, I'm so pumped.
I'm super
The
excited.
pictures that I've seen online are super nice.
Okay, so you tell them about it. I'll do the unboxing part.
Okay. So it's 22 pounds. I believe it's made of walnut and maple. And there's a little card inside.
Oh my goodness. Endgrain, the ultimate cutting experience.
Okay.
Want me to read the whole thing?
Yeah, just...
Endgrain cutting boards were conceived from a single mission to fill a need by marrying refinement of form with practical functionality, exceeding industry standards every step of the way, using premium materials, innovative design, and precision craftsmanship. Each Endgrain cutting board is held to the highest standard toward meeting that goal.
Nice.
So you can go to endgrainusa.com and check them out.
Okay, babe, let's see.
Welcome to the beginning of the end.
Ooh.
This is pretty epic.
Yeah.
I've got like goosebumps. This needs to be a movie. Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Wow. So it comes with your care, maintenance, and we did get the soap, the oil, and the wax. We'll show you that. But oh my gosh. I feel like we are the luckiest people on earth right now. Look at that. Holy moly. This really is a centerpiece. So, did you say how heavy it is?
Yeah, I said it was 22 pounds, and when I talked to them, they said this is really designed to be like a centerpiece on your table. Not only is it the functionality of it, look at that beast.
Oh my
That is awesome.
Wow.
It's time for a cutting board montage. Break to it. So, what are your first thoughts?
I feel like a kid on Christmas, like Santa Claus just delivered my presents.
This thing is really nice, and it really is. Let me see the weight. So, oh wow, 22 pounds. So you could see my fingers right here. There's little finger grooves.
Oh yeah, there
So it's
are.
really, because it's so heavy,
And like-
but there's nice finger grooves right here.
You know what we
So there's,
struggle
like,
with a
cutouts.
lot of them too is the wood.
The wood is really nice,
It's
and it's
so
really
smooth.
heavy. Like, even this is heavier and nicer than like a booze block even. This is like
This blows
way,
the booze
way,
block out of the water. Are
way
you
nice.
kidding?
So a couple of things that I notice right away is the deep grooves. I know when you're doing barbecue, especially when you're slicing like a turkey, a brisket,
Juicy.
that tomahawk that we had the other day, the juices on most cutting boards, the ridge line is very low. And so the juices
Spill
just
all over.
spill out on the world's smallest patio and the kitchen, everywhere.
Yeah.
So this is not going to be a problem with this cutting board. The juice ridge is very deep. And then on one end of it, it has like a little nipple, a little like cutout kind of thing,
Yeah.
so that you could easily grab the finger holes on the side and then turn it and pour the juices out. So it really is going to be like a no mess type thing.
They definitely thought of every little detail.
Every
on
little
this.
detail on it. The surface is raised right in the middle, and it's super nice.
Yeah.
The wood quality is absolutely fantastic.
Well, that's always my thing that bothers me with other cutting boards is as they get older, the wood starts to kind of split.
Right.
This isn't going to happen.
No.
This is walnut and
Maple. Yeah, very, very high end and very, very nice. So this is really neat. They also sent us this. This is a really cool little system. So step 1 is the cutting block soap. You never put a cutting board in the dishwasher. You only wash it in the sink. You scrape off all the food. You try and do minimal water, but you want to clean it. So they have their own, let me show the camera here, cutting block soap. So you're going to use this soap to clean it whenever you use the cutting board. Now, once a month, you're going to use this food safe cutting block oil. This is step 2 of the program. And you just want to keep the board oiled and nice, about once a month or so, depending on how often you use it. And then lastly, you got the cream, babe. Part 3 of the system, there it is. You got the cream, and this is food safe again. You're gonna do that on it. They provided a detailed instruction manual, just as the pit barrel cooker. There's a detailed instruction manual on how you light it, and if you do that, it'll run perfectly every time. So I'm sure this will last a lifetime. If you just do what they say, follow the instructions, use this little kit, wow. Wow,
it's beautiful.
wow.
I am so excited about
That
this.
is a nice board.
I know. I'm so excited to use it and have it in every picture.
Yeah. So you're going to start seeing this board in all of our videos from now on. Pit barrel cooker, Endgrain, thank you. And
they just leveled us up.
Yeah, big time. And while we are saying thank you, we have to roll our top tier channel members. Thank you guys so much to all of our channel members that have hit the join button, regardless of your tier. Thank you.
Let's go cook something.
Yeah, that is a nice board.
Yeah.
All right, so stay tuned. Future videos will have the Endgrain nice cutting board in it. All right, we will see you on the next one.
Bye.